So what we have here is a deck, and as you can see, spread them out. You're happy enough that they're all different, yeah? Okay. We're just going to split this in half. Okay? Let's put them there. Let's put them there. And what I want you to do is just point to a card that you want. This one. I'll leave it there. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is put that there, okay? Perfect. That's your card. What I'd like you to do here is we just split that deck into two. I'll get these out of the way, just put them back in here. Okay? So, as I do that. Okay. Okay, lovely stuff. Perfect. So, what we can do is turn them upside down and mix them into that pack there. So they're all mixed around a bit, up and down.
Just
So
all
just, yeah, so sort of mix them
Yeah.
inside each other.
Do you want me to shuffle them or whatever, or just...
Anyway, perfect. Lovely stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this. I'm going to push it in here. So we're going to push it on. Perfect stuff. So, I'm going to make that disappear. What was the card again?
King of Spades?
King of Spades. Okay, so what? Do you see the King of Spades there?
No.
Okay, I don't know what you're thinking.
They're in there.
Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Run there are cards. Ugh. Oh, see that. So, what did you say, King of Spades? Wow, so that card is gone. Didn't I tell you? You just slip out really slowly.
What is that?
I'm still figuring this out.
It's disappeared.
Yeah, it is gone, that's a fact. Okay. It is a fact. Okay, obviously need more practice.
You don't realise it in the box. How did you do that? Do you know what I mean?
No, there's a lot more to that trick. No, it's-
Not more at all.
There's a lot
I wasn't into it. I thought it was an 019, you know.
no.
But
So we don't